Action.
Hello, so today I'll be showing you how to ride a motorcycle. There's two halves of a motorcycle. The left side of the bike is all the manual part. So you got the clutch right here, and right here is the shifter. Then on the right side is the braking part of the bike. And you got your front brake right here is your hand brake. The rear brake is the foot. In order to get the bike actually started, you gotta make sure it's in neutral. This bike's fuel injected, so you gotta wait for it. And now you can start it. After you get the bike going, you have to put it in first gear. Then put the gas in while you let go of the clutch, like that. If it's just going, you steer and just keep going. And that's how you ride a motorcycle.